Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your MetaQuest isn't connecting to a Bluetooth device, don't worry. One of the most common reasons is that the device you are trying to connect is already connected to another phone, laptop or tablet. A lot of Bluetooth devices automatically reconnect to the last device they were paired with. So if your headphones or controller are already connected somewhere else, your MetaQuest won't be able to connect to them. To fix this, simply disconnect or unpair the device from the other device first. Now put on your MetaQuest headset and open Settings. Then go to Bluetooth. If you see the device listed there, select it and tap Unpair Device. After that, turn Bluetooth off. Then go to General, Power, and restart your device. Once your headset turns back on, head back to the settings, Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth back on and tap scan next to the other devices. When your device appears, tap pair next to its name, then tap pair again to confirm. After a few seconds, your Bluetooth device should connect successfully. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed the problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.